Hello everyone, today we're going to do a video where we're going to sort out finally our battery clip connection and also do a bit of caravan accessory shopping, so stay tuned. Battery's currently charging in the garage, but we're going to take it back to the caravan so they can sort the clips out and fix it back at the caravan place. Loaded into the car. Let's just take it to the caravan storage. So the service department was actually closed on a weekend, but we can drop the keys off somewhere. And we're also going to do a bit of shopping for there's something that we need for the caravan, so we're going to have a little look around.
These are selling in a very popular. It's a mix of
So what we're looking for is those little tyre saver ramp things. I think they're down here. Is there some around here somewhere? Where you park when even your caravan's stood still for a couple of months. You're supposed to save the tyres because it rests on it like a little curve. Oh, there they are. Stack of tyre savers. Another one, yeah. So you just park your wheel on that, and it just distributes the weight, so you don't get all the pressure on one part of the tyre. So we've got a couple of those, and we do get a discount here because we have storage here as well, so that's cool. Drop the keys off. So that's the keys dropped off. We've got our little tyre saver things bought now. I'm just going to pop to the caravan and put the clips and the battery in it. And I think there's a couple of things we need to take out of it, so we'll just see how it goes. So these are the pretty useless quick release clips, which are a bit too quick and a bit too releasey, they just fall off. So we're going to get them swapped out for the other ones and put the battery back in here so it could be reattached. That's the original clips for the battery, which we're going to get put back on and take those quick release ones off. Bit of a tight squeeze. I must admit, I'm not a big fan of this in the floor battery compartment. As we're sorting the battery stuff out, we've noticed like something weird happened here on the seal around the window. It's all seems to have come loose or bowed down. I don't know if it's when that's happened. I don't know if it's happened over winter or something. Managed to push some of it back, but I noticed there's some nails in it, so I'm going to get them to look at it anyway when we take it in, because it's getting looked at tomorrow anyway to get the battery fixed. So hopefully that'll be the end of our battery clip saga.
And the start of the window saga.
The start of the window saga. Hopefully that's nothing. Obviously, it's something that needs tacking up. It's a shame that those quick release clips don't work, because they were really good on the last Caravan, weren't they?
They were really good. I'd suggest probably they're just not so great if you've got the compartment where the battery goes in the floor. It seems to be quite a shallow amount of space. You
don't have much space in there to get in there. And then especially when you've got a motor mover as well, because you seem to the cables for this motor mover seem to be quite thick, and you've got to attach all those cables in. And I think any sort of compression on it, or even when you fasten it on, it doesn't seem to grip all those cables, which is a shame. And I've worried that it's some sort of like health hazard. Is it health hazard?
Safety hazard. Yeah, I mean, if it's not quite connecting properly enough, and
you don't cause a spark or something. You know, starting a fire there.
Yeah, I mean, probably if we've got a low profile battery, but when the battery we've got is absolutely fine. So if it's just a matter of moving the clips, it's not a problem.
Yeah, maybe this. I mean, batteries only last a few years, don't they? When we get our next battery, we'll get a low profile one, and we'll have some more space to do it.
Yeah.
But I still think those, even the thickness of the wires, I think it's still gonna have trouble connecting to those quick release clamps, because it's just such a tight fix on them. But anyway, so things are moving.
We might not have this Caravan then.
What are you trying to say? We're getting a motorhome, aren't we? So yeah, we'll try and get those bits and bobs done. We've got a few things to move out of the Caravan, and then we're hoping to get away in spring, but we've got a video coming about that soon anyway.
Right, so it's been a couple of weeks. We're just coming back to the Caravan now to see if the jobs have been done. So it was the clips on the battery and also the seal on the window. So let's
have a look. It was this window. It's hard to tell from this side. It's been done. Well, the battery's definitely attached because that's on. I'm going to turn that off now, because it always seems to drain a little bit of battery power. I think you hold this down for a while, it turns it off. So that's good. Right, let's have a look at the battery compartment. Oh, that's stiff. Got my finger stuck in the hole. Right. There's the battery. The original clip's fastened back on again. It's fastened in there. So we're back to the original battery clips. Right, so this is the window thing. It looks like it's been fastened back up again. But it looks like the seal's got caught in the window a bit there, so we have to open the window and reset it. That's all been fastened back up again. It's got a slight bulge in it, slightly different to the other side, but it's still a good seal when you close the window, so I think it's okay. We'll keep an eye on it.
So we've decided as well that we are going to change the covers over the seating area. Just with it being near the kitchen here, there's a couple little splatters, and I have tried to clean it, but some of the old splatters have just gone on. And the whole reason we've got them is a good thing, because it's stopping those splatters actually going onto the upholstery. But rather than just have like a fabric, we decided to go for more like a PVC, like
waterproof one.
A waterproof, oil-proof, sort of like fake leather cover. So hopefully that's going to be nice and cool in summer and stop any splatters going on it.
We've had them a few years. They came from the other Caravan, so I think it's worth a refresh anyway.
Yeah, but don't worry, the orange is not going anywhere.
I was going to say, try and guess what colour it's going to be.
It's obviously going to be orange.
Actually, I think you've got a picture of it. We'll put that on the screen.
I'll put a picture. I've got the link from Amazon, so I'll just put a picture in there.
We'll just do a measure up to make sure we're getting the right size.
I've got the trusty measure here. So
let's see what we can do. What size is that there?
It's approximately 60 inches.
60 inches? Oh, we're working old school again, are we?
Yeah, well,
Welcome
am
to
old.
1974.
Nothing wrong with the 70s. So it's roughly about 153 centimetres.
Yeah, not 60 inches.
If you're new school.
Oh, just anybody who's been born in the last 50 years.
So there you go, old money, that's like 25 inches. And then it's about 63 centimetres. So depth is about 5.5 inches. You're going to ask me what is in centimetres?
13 centimetres.
It's not 13.
Can you remember all these? I suppose we've got on the video, haven't we?
And then obviously going to need something for the back covers as well, aren't we?
Yeah.
Right, so let's go from here then.
I'll hold that for you. One sec. Write it all down in
Quick
on
notes.
the phone. So that's all logged. So we're going to look online and get some new covers for it. So that's us done. Everything seems to be ship shape as far as I can tell. Beautiful. Look at that sunshine.
It does, it looks amazing.
Oh, look at that.
It still feels really cold though, but the sunshine is lovely.
Yeah, we had the storm Eowyn just came through the last couple of days, and it didn't affect us too much. A bit windy, wasn't it?
Yeah.
But it seems to have brought some nice sunny, warm weather behind it.
Yeah, hopefully you can see us.
You can. We look good in silhouette. But yes, so that's all that stuff's done. So we'll thanks for watching. More updates to come. We'll be at the NEC soon, and we'll also be in away soon. And we'll see you guys soon. You're going to say these special magic words at the end.
Yeah, like, subscribe, do all that great stuff, and we'll see you guys next time.
And don't forget to watch this video. I'm going to point at it. That one there, yeah? Bye.
Bye.